Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Ty, aka Glam by Ty, and I'm back with another video. So let's get into this wig. By the title of the video, you already know that I let my boyfriend pick my hairstyle. This wig is from Alipearl. I worked with them plenty of times. Love their hair, but this wig specifically, oh my god. Yo, I had foundation on the back of my hand. I ended up getting fucking foundation on my backdrop on the wig. Like, it was just a mess. But this wig specifically is a bomb. So this is what the inside looks like. It has 3 combs and the adjustable straps. It did come with an adjustable band, but I didn't add it on there. This is just me trying to show y'all what the knots look like before I apply that makeup that's on the back of my hand. Cause yes, I bleached the knots myself and plucked it, and everything is just bomb as hell. So this is what it's looking like once I do apply the makeup. If you guys didn't see, I think I have a video on the makeup that I used. If you guys didn't see, I do have a video on the lace tint that I used, but I actually ran out of it, so I just used makeup for this install. But like, I don't regret it because it still came out bomb. Okay, so I want to give a big shout out to, I believe her name is Latoya. I'll tag her TikTok below. She slays hair. Like, her hairstyles be bomb as hell. So I picked like 2 of her hairstyles, and I let my boyfriend decide like what hairstyle was going to be for me. And yeah, I'm glad he did not choose the other one, even though it is nice. I just feel like this one just suit me well, and it goes with the wig. Okay, you guys will see at the end. Right now, I'm just cutting off the little ear tabs. The wig was a little bit bigger on my head. Y'all know I got an itty bitty head. But yeah, y'all, please try to ignore that makeup on the back of my backdrop, because that shit is annoying the fuck out of me. But anyway. Okay, so once I cut my ear tabs off, this is what the side looks like. I did cut the lace before applying the wig. I am honestly done applying wigs without cutting the lace. Like, I'm always going to cut my lace. I feel like it just gives me a seamless install because I know exactly where to lay my wig. If you do wigs, if you wear wigs, y'all know, like, it needs to be exactly laid, okay? First of all, can we talk about how the fact that I'm cutting this lace off and it's giving scalp already, okay? Super cute. Like, honestly, I could have worn this wig glueless, but I want to keep it in for a couple days. So yeah, I'm gonna glue it down. So to go on ahead and glue this wig down, I'm gonna use my Bold Hold Active Lace Glue. I'll start by putting it on the top of my head. I do also have a TikTok out of this wig, specifically this wig install. So be sure to follow my TikTok at It's Glam by Ty. Or no, it's at Glam by Ty. Jesus Lord, I'm giving out the wrong names now, child. But yeah, I think I did like 3 layers in total. I started with like little dots and then, you know, grew. I did have a fan on next to me because I was super hot. But yeah, I had a fan next to me, so it did dry pretty fast. The fan was just like on a low speed though. It wasn't like I was like blow drying it to dry. No, I usually let it air dry, but the fan was right there, so it kind of air dried it for me. But you want to make sure that each layer is completely clear before you go on ahead and add more lace glue. And this is why I say that I will always cut my lace now before I do my install. Because look, I know exactly where to apply my lace. And if I do have any lifting or like, you know, I miss an area or a spot, I just go back in with little itty bitty dots. As y'all can see, like little itty bitty dots. And I'm going to smooth that out. It's going to turn clear instantly because a thin layer dries a lot faster than a thick bulk layer. And me personally, I just like to work with a little bit of lace glue and then add more as I go. I don't want to start with a big glob of lace glue. So yeah, once it's completely clear, you guys will see that I'm just going to flip that flat forward and then tie my lace down. Child, already the lace is giving scalp, and all I did was apply a little bit of makeup on the inside and did my balding cap. Like, that's it. That's it. Literally, that's it. So I'm doing the same thing that I did to the front of the wig to the sides, but normally I would stop my lace glue exactly where it's at now. I went on ahead and applied another layer, and you guys will see me do now. I go completely around the edge of like where my ear is almost. And I honestly do think that this will help with lifting, like making sure that my sides don't lift too early. Just be very careful not to get this on your real hair, because we know how bad that could be. Okay, so I have a little bit of time to talk to you guys about this wig. First and foremost, I'll have all the details for this wig below. But let me just say how soft, how flowy this wig is. Like, and it's thick, but not too thick. It's just like chef's motherfucking kiss. Like, Alipearl, y'all did y'all thing with this wig. I will have it in the description below. Super affordable and definitely a great purchase. This is some good ass hair. Like, honestly, I think this is my favorite wig thus far. Like, even like I've had plenty of wigs from them, like curly, body wave, whatever, but this one specifically, I don't know, it just did it for me. Like, the hair is just, the lace was good, the knots were small, it bleached perfectly. Like, I literally have no cons about this hair right now. So yeah, I probably won't be selling this wig. I probably will keep it for myself. I'm gonna be selfish, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep it for myself, because honestly, y'all, everybody need at least one good wig, you know? Okay, so boom, after I tack everything down, this is what it's looking like. No baby hairs, nothing. I'm going to take a band that the wig came with. I was going to use like my own wig band, but I was like, you know what, let me just use the adjustable band, or the adjustable strap band, whatever you want to call it, that they gave me. I'm going to tie my hair up, make sure it's out of my way, and it's like a little thin band. So yeah, I made sure this was really, really tight. Okay, first of all, I missed the first time, but I made sure that this band was really, really tight, and it did leave a mark on my head, but like, personally, I don't care as long as my lace is melted. Okay. Okay, off camera, I did go on ahead and use some of my Chi Silk Infusion oil, and I just straightened the wig completely. It didn't take that long to straighten. And it straightened perfectly, even though it is a body wave wig. But this is what the lace is looking like. Like I said, it did make a mark on my forehead. So please do not think that that's like lace glue, dried up lace glue or anything. No, it's a mark from the band, obviously. What you guys see me do now is take out pieces of hair that is going to be our baby hairs. I did go on ahead and like tie it back down after I was done, because I feel like it wasn't like laid all the way. I tied the baby hair, like I left the straight pieces down and then tied the wig band again. I think I showed you guys, if I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm going to make sure that I'm hot combing them forward. Please do not burn your forehead. You will leave a mark on your head, and it's just not a good look, sis. It was at this moment right here, when I pulled out this baby hair, that I realized this wig did not need baby hairs. Well, I already realized it, but that was the sealed deal. Like, when I pulled that out, it was giving scalp. It was giving natural hair. It was giving what it needed to give, okay? But I still decided to do baby hairs, because you know me, you know I like baby hairs. I didn't do these baby hairs too dramatic. You know, I didn't do like OD flips and swirls and all that bullshit, but I did them. Okay, so I gave my boyfriend the option between the bangs and the half up style, and he chose half up. So we're gonna cut our baby hairs. As y'all can see, the last clip I had my wig band back on, just making sure I tie it down. But I'm gonna use little eyebrow razor, cut my baby hairs, take my little flat iron, flip them up. Now I am gonna take my Got To Be Free spray and the edge brush that came with the wig, and I'm gonna spray that all over the brush, and I'm gonna use that to slick it down. I also do like this method because it doesn't leave the baby hairs like crunchy or like you know, hard or anything like that. You can always go back and comb them out. I did take a little bit more hair off. Mind you, you guys want to take a little bit hair off at first and then go back in and take more off if needed, especially for the look that I was trying to go for. The baby hairs was just a little too long for me. I kind of wanted something more like on the natural side, so I did keep going back in and razoring off a little bit of hair. But yeah, definitely recommend using a flat iron to flip your baby hairs up. It automatically just gives it a swoop, and then it's just so much easier to lay it down like with the edge brush. Okay, so now let's get into the style. First of all, this wig is so laid. Like, do y'all see that? The wig is laid and all I did was use my fucking hot comb. But anyway, I'm going to start by doing like a middle part. I am using the edge brush, the comb of it, because I just wanted to make sure like I had a perfect part, like a perfect straight part. And I feel like the other comb was a little too big, but I'm going to start by doing a straight middle part, making sure I hot comb that because I want everything to be nice and flat, and you know, we're getting ready, okay? Here you guys will see me take out like the two front pieces that she had. And then obviously I'm going to curl those two pieces, but you guys will see that in a minute. I'm going to take out the pieces that I want. I was trying to make them like asymmetrical, but I did not want them directly like at the middle part. I kind of wanted them a little bit over a little bit. That was just my preference. You know, what I do take somebody's INSPO style, I do like add my own little twist on how I'm going to do it and everything like that, which I definitely did with this wig. But yeah, we're going to start by taking the pieces out. Okay, so she definitely had like a half up side kind of thing going. So the whole like front of the wig is not going up in a little ponytail, but just, you know, a little section of it is. The lace of this wig, like the parting of it is super deep. So I definitely was able to like, you know, it was really easy for me to go on ahead and do like a low side part like that. I'm going to take my hot comb and make sure that I'm combing everything back just for, you know, a more like seamless install. And I did go on ahead and hot comb the wig like when I was straightening it. So it did help it like a lot better for the ponytail to look like more sleek. Okay, so here I'm just getting everything back. I still wanted to show that middle part in the ponytail a little bit. So as y'all see me doing now, I'm just combing everything back. And I did use a rubber band. I don't give a damn. I only had it on for like 2 seconds. And plus, I didn't want the ponytail to overpower like the look. I wanted the look to be half up, half down, but not necessarily a pony half up, half down, if that makes sense. So I did take a rubber band, tied that into like a little back ponytail. And it laid completely flat, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking this off. I am going ahead and razor those two front pieces a little bit just because I felt like they were a little bit long on the longer side. I kind of wanted to frame my face a little bit. So as you guys can see, I'm razoring that off. Same razor that we used to cut our little edges, baby hairs, whatever. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides, making sure that they're equal. Now I'm taking like a big wand and I'm just curling the two front pieces. I really did not leave the wand on there pretty long. But yeah, when I had did this style, I was like, oh shit, this would be really cute for my baby shower, like a look for my baby shower. And then I was like, damn, I already like did it. Like, wow. Okay. But yeah, you guys, I will be right back with the finished result. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. I think Babe chose a good hairstyle for me. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.